Hey everybody, it's Matt Collins with eXp Realty here with Taylor Perry with Van Dyke Mortgage. Today we want to find out where are mortgage rates going from here. So Taylor, tell me what in the world's going on with these mortgage rates.
Well, we've seen a lot of volatility, that's for sure. So to break it down very simply, we saw the past 2 years crazy historic lows, and then now all of a sudden we saw it shoot up.
Right.
Now, roughly on average, and this is April of 22,
Yep.
we're around the 5-ish% mark. Some days a little bit more, some days a little bit less, but around that 5-ish% mark. Now, what's going to happen from here? Your guess is as good as mine. But realistically, the experts are saying it should continue to go up just a little bit from here. Now, the one thing that I'll even add is everybody always hears about the Fed is going to increase rates. They're going to increase rates. The Fed rate doesn't directly affect mortgage rates.
Okay.
So when the Fed increases rates by a quarter, mortgage rates don't automatically go by a quarter. They do kind of push on each other, and mortgage rates are indirectly balanced by that, but it's not a direct correlation of quarter.
Okay.
So,
All right, so end of 21, analysts were predicting that 22 should see mortgage rates finish at about 5%.
and we've started.
We're just finishing first quarter.
Yeah.
Look into your crystal ball, I'm going to put you on the spot.
Oh.
What are we doing next quarter? What are rates going to do? Are they going to continue to climb? Are they going to sit where they are?
The trend so far is they're continuing to climb. There's so much geopolitical instability too that's going on right now. I would guess, and this is truly just a guess, right?
Sure.
So you cannot quote me on this. I'd guess we'll probably be in the high 5s by the end of the quarter.
Okay. Well, thank you very much for that insight. Guys, I hope you found this one useful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time.